Hello everyone, how are you? I would like to share with you a collaboration today. Um, there is a collaboration with Junk Journal Craft Lena and Lily Fee the Paper Witch. And there's the Etsy's where you can find these paper collections that I am going to share with you. And then I also would like to announce that in the Junk Journal Paper Lovers, the Facebook group, oh my gosh, I'm going to link that or put the name of the Facebook group in the bottom. I'm just all of a sudden drawing a blank. But anyway, there is going to be freebies in the Facebook group. And here is one of them. The Roses Mon Amour. And this is a kit collaboration, as I said, with Lily Fee the Paper Witch and Junk Journal Craft Lena. And they are both co-moderators, and I am also a moderator and the Shabby Hippie in the Facebook group. And isn't this beautiful? And there's a close-up of the beautiful rose fairy and a beautiful hummingbird. And then this right here as well is going to be a freebie, I believe. And you can get those in the Facebook group. Okay, so I would also like to move on and show you the actual kits and what you will find in that kit. And here's the Roses Mon Amour kit collaboration. I'm sure I mentioned it. I'm going to mention it many times in this video to make sure that I get all of the information for you. So here's these gorgeous envelopes, and this is definitely a shabby collection. And these gorgeous cut aparts or ATC style cards. Absolutely gorgeous. And then here's a beautiful background piece. You can always print these background pieces on the back of the others, the envelope, these, anytime you want to do your printables. So I did do 2 of each to make sure that I had plenty. And here's these gorgeous tags. Very shabby. And these are Lena's, I believe. Oh no, Lily. Well, no, these are Daniela's, Lily Fee the Paper Witch. These tags. Make sure you can see the colors. Neutrals, pinks, and greens. Here's those tags again. And then here's the background. So like I said, I ended up printing extra, so I had plenty to play with. And ungracefully let me move those. And then here is Lena's designs. This gorgeous collage. I like to call them masterboards. But very, very beautiful. Some of these might have an odd streak through them. I noticed my printer wasn't printing very well, and I switched out the ink cartridges. So that's another reason why I printed duplicates, to make sure that I had clean images to share with you. And I printed in draft mode, or draft quality is what I want to say. So I love the colors, the patina color, the mauves, the the dusty roses. Just gorgeous. And these are all upside down, aren't they? You know, if I did it perfectly, guys, it wouldn't be me. And then there's this one. Then you can see there's even the word coffees in the background. So again, this is a collaboration with Lily Fee, Daniela Lily Fee the Paper Witch, and Lena Narcisse, who is Junk Journal Craft Lena. And here is this gorgeous envelope. Again, there's the information. I love envelopes. And here's some tags and stamps. Love the birds. And here's these shabby tags, or even bag toppers. You could fold them, you know, or side, you know, this way. They could be gorgeous bag toppers. And yes, these are large collections. Cards and embellishments kit collaboration. Roses Mon Amour with Lily Fee Paper Witch and Junk Journal Craft Lena, and you can find them on Etsy. And yes, these are shabby journal kits. And then here's again the freebie. And then, like I said, here's duplicates just in case I was missing any. And I just, look at that. You can really get some awesome ephemera out of the collage pieces. I love the coffee colors, linen color, and then again these tags. So, and the envelope. All right. And again, there's the information. Okay, and I will be sharing my project. Thank you so much for watching, and please head over and you can find this collection, both collections, and you know, everything, all of their other collections on their Etsy's, and come over to the Facebook group, and I will link that name and all of the information in the description box down below. Okay, thank you. See you in a bit. Bye.